To troubleshoot your Best Egg monthly payment, start by reviewing your loan agreement to understand the terms and conditions. Check the payment due date, amount, and method of payment. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the payment. Next, verify your payment history to identify any missed or late payments. You can do this by logging into your Best Egg account online or contacting their customer service. If you have missed a payment, make the payment as soon as possible to avoid additional late fees. If you are having trouble making payments, consider adjusting your payment schedule or amount. Best Egg offers flexible payment options, such as bi-weekly payments or payment deferment. Contact their customer service to discuss your options and determine the best course of action. Another common issue is payment processing errors. Check that your payment method is up to date and that there are no issues with your bank account. If you have recently changed banks or accounts, ensure that your payment information is updated in your Best Egg account. To prevent future payment issues, set up automatic payments or payment reminders. This will ensure that your payments are made on time and eliminate the risk of missed payments. You can also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any errors or discrepancies. In addition, keep your contact information up to date, including your email address and phone number. This will enable Best Egg to notify you of any payment issues or changes to your account. If you are still experiencing issues with your Best Egg monthly payment, contact their customer service for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide guidance on how to resolve it. By following these steps, you can quickly identify and resolve any issues with your Best Egg monthly payment, ensuring that your loan is paid on time and in good standing.